In a significant move, Centre has appointed former bureaucrat, former Union Home Secretary A.K. Bhalla as the new governor of Manipur. He has taken oath of office and secrecy. This is a very important development as far as Manipur is concerned, where Centre is trying to fast-track the process of restoring peace amid incidents of intermittent firing and protest, particularly in the Kuki-Zo-dominated areas. The Kuki-Zo groups have called for indefinite economic blockade, and that is happening after skirmishes between women protesters from the Kuki-Zo community and the security forces, the central forces, when on the last day of last year, the women protesters were dispersed by using force by the central forces, in which some of the women protesters got injured, a few of them seriously injured, and that had raised the demand of withdrawal of central forces from the Kuki-Zo dominated areas, and therefore the Kuki-Zo community is putting up protest and economic blockade. So this is going to be a challenge for Mr. Bhalla, who was Home Secretary of the country when in 2023 ethnic violence had hit Manipur, and he is completely aware of the situation that Manipur is in. He was involved in different attempts that Ministry of Home Affairs at that point of time had taken to resolve the crisis. So therefore now, with his appointment as Manipur Chief Minister, N. Biren Singh has also pointed out that it is a very prudent decision of Centre. Watchers also feel it is a very thoughtful decision to bring in Mr. A.K. Bhalla as the former Union Home Secretary, as the Governor of Manipur, to drive fresh initiative to usher in peace, to create an environment for talks between the two warring communities, the civil society groups of two warring communities, and also perhaps he being a former top bureaucrat, he will be able to bring in a kind of a synergy between the central forces and the state government, so as to counter this incidence of intermittent firing that takes place, and to act against people who still carry automatic weapon and try to hit at each other.
One of the most, intelligence and competent person as the governor of Manipur during this trying time shows the serious concern of the central government in solving the problems of Manipur. That's number one. I know Bhalaji. He is a world experience, and he held many important posts in the Government of Indian administration.
Thank you so much. Happy New Year to all the viewers. Yes, well, today I'd like to inform all the viewers that economic blockade has been imposed by the KZC, as they have not implemented the verbal agreement which was considered on the 31st of December 2024. In between the security forces, the Kuki-NP Sadar Hills, as well as Kotu, their main point of agreement was that all the women flock who has been injured and seriously injured has to be compensated, number one. Number two, the sanctity of the buffer zone should be maintained. So far, the government have not met the agreement till now. As such, the KZC, the Kuki-Zo Council, has decided and imposed an economic blockade in all the districts of the Kuki-Zo inhabited area till tomorrow in the morning, 2 a.m. However, the economic blockade will be again imposed if the government has not implemented what the agreement was. So the KZC will definitely impose an indefinite economic blockade in all the district of the Kukizau inhabited area. On top of that, the PO2 has called a shutdown today, as well as the Tirunopol district as well as called the shutdowns, which is also being endorsed by the Kukizau Council. So I hope for the best and peace and tranquility before the dialogue that should be maintained is in the hands of the government of Manipur. Thank you.